Well, hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and wouldn't you know, Yugo project's getting real close now. It's alive. The engine's in, the trans is in. About 95% of the vacuum lines are hooked back up, and it runs. Still waiting on a starter. The starter that's in there is, it's got dead spots, so we'll go ahead and replace that. But man, it's getting there. Got to put the hood back on. Got new tires up front here. Back up a little bit. Yeah, got one of the door panels off. My paint finally arrived. Here's a picture of the paint that I'm going to be using. It's a real close match to the color of the dash, so that's great. New seats are in. Rear seats still out because I got to take those rear panels out to paint them. But oh man, a lot of work. We've had some really nice warm weather, really unusual for this time of year, but not complaining even slightly. Got some new emblems for the back. All the lights are working now. Yeah, it's coming along. Now it doesn't look too pretty on the outside because it's been stored all year, but oh god, I got the key on. But there it is. Here's the inside. Got the new dash in there. That's looking pretty good. Got some new dome lights that I've got to finish wiring up. New seats. Just got that towel down there to protect them, but those nice Yugo floor mats. Got to clean those up a little bit more, but stereo's in there. All the air conditioning's hooked back up. EGR's hooked up. Air pump's not installed all the way. Waiting on one more part for it. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put the hood back on here shortly. But yeah, it runs. So let me fire it up and that'll end this video. This is part 5, nearing completion. If you enjoy the video, hopefully you'll subscribe and like, because there'll be more Yugo in videos, certainly more farming videos, tractor videos, that sort of stuff. And of course CB, ham, and a whole lot of other stuff. I'm thinking about adding a second channel just to do talking type videos. Take care.